It's locked, Kevin. This is locked.
Dang.
So she can come and get a puppy.
Yeah, you might get out.
What time was this?
They're blind.
5 o'clock
They're
in the
legally
morning.
blind when they're born. So it didn't know where it was going. And landed over here. It would have been dead. By the
What
time
time was it?
About 5 in the morning.
Oh.
5:15, 5:20.
I think it was born about
About
5:15 because I got here about 5:25. It's like, no, she can't be having the babies. It's nasty in there. As soon as she's done, we gotta move them.
Yeah.
You know, this crap
We
out.
gotta clean all it up.
But we can't leave the babies out here. Se van por acá.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
No matter what.
She's gonna have to go in the garage.
'Cause
8
they slip out
puppies.
through
Where's
here.
the renty? Right there.
They slip out through here and they can die. Or some cat can carry them and eat them.
Oh, they do that?
Yeah.
The runt is
Stupid cats.
The
She's
lower.
pushing. She's pushing. Look at
Yeah,
this
the
right here. Look at.
Oh, look, Dad put the little runt somewhere.
No, but she gets it. Remember what I keep
Someone go buy the milk.
If the puppy don't eat in 24 hours, then we go buy them.
Yeah.
Okay? They just born.
Really born baby. The other ones are just hogs.
So the little baby runt can still live without eating it. Right away. Haha, I have blood too.
We got. Right now, we're gonna have to move them around. Somehow we're gonna have to number them so that we know who eats when, what time, so that the runt can eat too.
Do you want them to put like a little
Yeah,
collar
put a
on
little marker on them.
Well, we know which one's the runt.
But we can't really put anything on them.
Look at the fat
Like
one.
tie string to some paper and put 1, 2, 3, 4.
That one we'll call it the frickin'.
But you can't tie a string on them, they might choke.
That one?
But lightly.
Yeah, this is weird.
She won't let me. She won't let anybody touch them.
She just did me. She lets me touch them.
Ya, pero después los levanta bien feo. Try to get the runt. Let's see.
Oh, it's right there.
Watch
He's
them.
eating something.
The runt is the tiniest one.
This one
Julio.
here? I
No,
don't see it.
the
This
one
one?
over there. Yes, that's the one.
It looks like it's eating.
It's eating. Yeah, look.
Dad, you
It was eating.
It was.
It was
You
eating.
guys kept
I
telling
knocked
me.
it off. Dang it, he was eating.
Carissa over here.
I said it was eating.
Guys, calm down.
It's over.
No, look what I said. It looks like it's eating.
Oh shoot, she's having another one.
And I'm gonna put this on film and I'm gonna.
I'm gonna drop the camera.
You're giving up.
Because it's very disgusting.
I'll get him out of there.
Almost 11. Right? 8?
Hmm?
There's 8, right?
I lost count.
Count them, you're right there.
She's licking them right now.
You guys are so aggressive.
I know. Aggressive kids.
Kevin, you're aggressive like you're stupid. Yeah, because they grab food.
That's why Celeste is wearing the colors right now.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Is this the runt? Or is this another one?
No.
That's the runt. That one. Yeah, that's the runt. See how skinny it is?
So she's not having any more?
Oh yeah, she's still having more.
Oh, still moving around in there, huh?
Yeah, she's still getting ready. Look at her face is strained.